Hello guys, you're welcome to again another video on blockchain analytics. So today we're going to do something that is differently. I'm going to be teaching you how to go through a question, how to answer blockchain data questions, and how to participate in bounties, how to go about solving bounty challenges. Okay, so this is basically a bounty challenge by MetricDAO for Blur.io NFT marketplace. You can see this is the beginner bounty. So this is what Blur is. A brief description about what Blur does. Is a marketplace for pro traders with zero fees. Okay, so this is what they are asking you to get. Compare the activities on Blur with other marketplaces like OpenSea. You may consider the following metrics. So this is what they want you to get: the sales volume, the number of transactions, the popular collection, and the number of active users. Okay, we're not going to go into this so we're going to focus on these first 4 questions, and I'm going to show you how I would solve this bounty. If I am the person, if I am you, okay, if I see this bounty, I'm going to walk you through my thought process about how I'm going to solve the bounties, what I'm going to do, the steps I'm going to take. Okay, that's basically what I'm going to do. So the first stage is to we have this Blur.io. Let me get it. Okay, this Blur.io, this marketplace. Let me check out what this Blur, that's the first thing I would do. Okay, just to get a brief introduction, just to know with what I'm doing, what I'm dealing with. So I will just search Blur NFT. So let me look at what the marketplace is all about. This will help me. Okay, this will help me know what I'm looking for, where to start. Okay, these are the basic things that I have to do first. So I can see the marketplace. This is their website. Okay, I can see what they do. One thing I can do again, I can collect my MetaMask wallet to see how the interface of the platform is. I'll read up about them. The next thing I will do is I will go to Etherscan, because now why am I using Etherscan? Because Blur.io is launched on the Ethereum chain. Okay, how do I know that? I would just I will scroll through the website. Okay, I will see what is happening. Looking for that place. There was a place is supposed to show me the prices of everything. Okay, so Blur.io is launched on the Ethereum chain. So I'll just go to Etherscan. Etherscan is an explorer, how we explore on-chain activities. That's what we use Etherscan for. So guys, this is Etherscan. Okay, remember I told you in our last video how we use Etherscan, how we use Etherscan as an explorer. Okay, if the project you're working on is launched on Polygon, you have to use polygonscan.io. If it's launched on maybe Solana, you have to use solanascan.io. So they have different versions based on the chain you're working on. Okay, Blur is launched on the Ethereum chain, so that's what we are using Etherscan.io. So I'll just write Blur here, Blur NFT. Okay, I'll just write Blur NFT. So let me see the result it's going to bring out for me. If it doesn't bring out the result for you, sometimes this is the process we go through when we want to get what is it called, can you see when I write Blur, it's not giving me any name. So what do? I can just come to Google and write Blur NFT contract address. This will take me, I'm walking you basically what I do. This will take you, can you see on Etherscan, the Blur.io? So that's what you have to write, Blur.io. Can you see look at the contract address, look at the marketplace. This is an NFT. Okay, can you see? So I can scroll down to the transaction. You can see the transaction that happens on the Blur marketplace. Can you see? So so the reason why we're getting this error was because I was writing just Blur. If I include .io now, you can see. So this is the version 1, this is the version 2. Okay, so that's it. So I will just scroll. Like now I have a view of what the platform is all about, the transactions going on. I can just click on one transaction and I will see what has happened. I will see the date that this transaction happened. I will see the transaction is pending. I will scroll down Okay, let us look for a transaction that has been executed. Let me look for this. A transaction has been executed, so let me click on it. Okay, so this is basically how you do this is what I would do if I was to solve this challenge. So the first thing for me is not to just start writing SQL queries to get the sales. I need to understand the platform I'm dealing with first of all. Okay, and this is what I would do. So I've seen, okay, what is happening. This is the contract and it's interacted with. This is the token. This is the block pool. So I'm seeing everything that happened. Okay, this person, look at what the person bought. This person bought from the block marketplace this. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. Can you see what this is? The art they bought, DG I don't know how to pronounce that. So that's the first thing I would do. Now I've gotten a cue about what I'm dealing with. Also, I have the contract address now for this marketplace. That's number one. The next thing I will do, if I'm going to be using Dune or Flipside, I'll go to Doom. For this training, for this video we're going to use the Doom V2. Okay, it's more advanced and more complicated. So I'll go to spells. Can you see spells? Okay, I will search for Ethereum. When I'm on Ethereum, I will just write Blur. Okay, can you see the Blur project on Dune? That's why Dune makes everything easy for you. Can you see the bond, the event, the fees, the mints, the trades? I'll go to the trades. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, I'll just write a simple query to get an overview of what has happened. Select all from where? From this table, Blur Ethereum tables. Just give me the first 100. I just want to see what it's all about. Okay, so once we get this, our query is going to run. So guys, our query is currently running. So you can see what happened on the Blur network. Okay, you can see the transaction that happened. So now we are going to continue building from here. Okay, you can see the output we got. Okay, so see you in the next video. We'll continue building from what we already learned.